Enhancing livestock productivity through technological integration, a study on sheep farming systems in India. Sheep farming represents a cornerstone of rural livelihoods and a vital economic activity, especially in arid and semi-arid regions of the world. However, despite its significant role in food security and income generation, the productivity of sheep remains relatively low in many parts of the developing world. This chapter explores the application of technological interventions in improving the productivity and profitability of sheep farming, focusing on genetic improvement, nutrition, health management, reproduction, housing, digital innovations, and marketing. Field-based evidence, particularly from Krishnagiri district in Tamil Nadu, India, is discussed to illustrate practical outcomes and future possibilities. Introduction. Sheep farming plays a crucial role in global agriculture, especially in regions where farming crops is difficult. Countries like Australia, New Zealand, and China have modernized sheep farming using better breeds, improved feed, and advanced technologies, making it highly productive and profitable. In contrast, India, with the second largest sheep population, mainly produces meat mutton, but faces low productivity due to poor breeding, disease, and lack of resources. In Tamil Nadu, sheep farming is part of rural life, especially among small farmers. The state has native breeds like Mecheri and Vember that survive well in tough climates. Government programs have tried to improve farming practices using tools like artificial insemination, mineral supplements, and better feeding. In the Krishnagiri district, farmers raise sheep in small flocks and benefit from support projects that aim to improve health, reduce inbreeding, and increase income. This region shows how traditional farming can be improved with the right support and ideas. Conclusion. This chapter highlights how modern technology is helping improve sheep farming, especially for small farmers in dry and rural areas. Sheep farming is important for food, income, and jobs, but farmers often struggle with poor animal health, weak breeds, low quality feed, and limited access to markets. To solve these problems, various technologies are being used, such as better breeding methods, improved feeding, vaccinations, and mobile vet services. These steps have led to healthier flocks and more lambs surviving. Other helpful tools include mobile apps for tracking farm data, group breeding programs, and selling directly through farmer-producer organizations (FPOS), which help farmers earn more. However, many farmers still find it hard to use these tools because of lack of money, poor infrastructure, or limited knowledge. To make a real difference, stronger policies, climate-smart farming, better training, and teamwork between government, private groups, and farmers are needed. This can make sheep farming more successful and sustainable for the future. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology, and medicine.